Europlan Yacht Interiors is a company focused on delivering turnkey yacht interior projects. Our craftsmanship, attention to detail, and passion for luxury will ensure that your project stays true to your vision throughout the design and build process. Our know-how is based on strong in-house expertise and cost-effective project management. We have what it takes to make every project special. We know how important it is to have reliable communication channels to share ideas on an equal footing. Faithful cooperation and timely trust communication are key aspects in our implementation. We offer in-house production with more than 30 years of experience in metal, glass, wood, stone, and technical woodworking workshop to produce tailor-made interior products. Our engineering and production work seamless side by side under the same roof to ensure all details and modification are carefully taken care of to the final finished product. Quality of the products are in key role to us, all handmade, all custom. Europlan, we're better together.